everyone, welcome back to my channel Suhani's Roost. Today's video is going to be about women protein and a UTI drink that I recently came across, which I feel कि आप लोगों को try करना चाहिए. So I'll be talking about it. But before I start the video, I want to thank you people for helping me reach 2000 subscribers so soon. Thank you so much guys. I'm very happy and ऐसे ही support करते रहना so that I keep growing and my channel reaches all the milestones that I have like in my mind. Okay then, let's get started with the video. Now talking about women protein. Now traditionally काफी सारी ladies को ऐसा लगता है that if they consume protein, their body will start bulking up, which is totally wrong. I have talked to a lot of people with a lot of girls and उनसे बात करके हमेशा मैंने यही figure out किया कि उनको लगता है प्रोटीन लेने से बॉडी फैलती है, they get fatter and stuff. But that is not the actual thing. Protein is very important for our body. In fact, हमारा जो 1/3 body है that is made up of protein. And protein not just helps in maintaining a good diet, it also helps in maintaining a good metabolism, it helps in maintaining weight and a lot of more stuff. So today I'll be reviewing a protein, but it's not a chemical based protein, एक plant based protein है which has all the good ingredients in it जो कि आपको protein requirement भी देता है without adding any additional chemical to your body. So this is the protein that I'm going to talk about today. This one is from Anme. This is a plant based women protein. इसके अंदर आयुर्वेदिक herbs भी हैं, इसके अंदर multivitamins भी. To begin with, before anything else, let us talk about the key ingredients of this protein. And taste wise, so it is good. It is in the flavor of chocolate and cocoa, which is a good flavor. तो taste wise तो मुझे कोई problem हुई नहीं है अभी तक इससे, because a lot of people taste की वजह से they refuse things which are good for their body. So this one is in the flavor of cocoa and chocolate. Now let's talk about the key ingredients of this protein. The first thing that it has is plant protein. इसमें 20 grams of plant protein आपको daily मिलेगा. Second thing, it has BCAA. Third thing, it has Ayurvedic herbs like Giloy, Ashwagandha, Shatavari and lots more. So that is very unique and nice क्योंकि ज़्यादातर proteins में ऐसा देखने को नहीं मिलता है. Apart from that, it has 21 vitamins and minerals. So आपका जितना भी diet requirement है वो सारा का सारा is packed inside this. You just have to take 3 scoops. I'll show you the scoop. It comes in powder form. इस type का ये powder आता है. And with this it has 1 scoop over here. ये scoop है. इसकी 3 scoops आपको which will give you 33 grams of protein daily. So you can make a hot shake, or you can also have a cold shake, cold beverage, and you can have it. The best part is सारे details are given in the box itself. सब कुछ mentioned है, what it includes, what it does not include, what is good for your body, what are the like percentages, everything is mentioned over here. You can read it. You can see if the ingredients are good for your body or not. I'll try to place all the details somewhere here in the screen so that you people can see it. First thing, it's vegan. Second, it has been created by the collaboration of health experts. Third thing is that it has been approved for the ingredients. It has scientifically proven ingredients. It does not contain whey, so it is not whey protein. Next, it has no soy. Next, no preservative, no artificial color, no refined sugar, and no artificial flavor. Whatever they have included inside this is 100% natural, no preservative and nothing that is harmful to your body. Now let's quickly talk about what all things it does and what are the ingredients that boost it. The first thing is lean muscle. For that it has pea protein, magnesium, goshara. Second thing is energy and strength. For energy and strength it contains moringa, zinc, vitamin B1. For managing weight, it contains giloy, calcium and vitamin D. For relieving stress, it contains moringa, magnesium, vitamin B. For balanced hormones, it contains kachnar, magnesium and inositol. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's inositol. And to boost immunity, it contains tulsi, iron, vitamin C. I am talking about this one specifically क्योंकि ये वाला प्रोटीन मैं अभी currently कर रही हूँ. That is why I am talking about this. But protein in general is a very essential requirement for our body. It's not just about this one. आप कोई सा भी कीजिए, it is an essential requirement. I am specifically talking about this one क्योंकि इसके अंदर जो ingredients हैं, it's not just about protein. It has herbs, it has all the essential vitamins. So मुझे कोई extra supplement का जरूरत नहीं है. आई एम गेटिंग एवरीथिंग इनसाइड वन बॉक्स. Not just this, एनमी से मैंने एक और चीज ट्राई की एंड आई रियली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट एज वेल. The next thing is this. It is a UTI drink. Now, urinary tract infection is a very common issue. This drink is quite helpful for that. अब इस ड्रिंक से होता क्या क्या है? सबसे पहले तो इट प्रिवेंट्स यूटीआईज, बैक्टीरियाज को रेजिस्ट करता है, बैक्टीरियाज को पनपने नहीं देता है, जिससे कि यूटीआईज का खतरा कम रहता है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट बॉडी में जितने भी टॉक्सिन्स होते हैं, इट हेल्प्स टू फ्लश देम आउट. इट सोथ्स पेन, रिड्यूसेस फैटीग. इसमें क्रैनबेरी है, सो इट कंटेन्स 18 mg ऑफ क्रैनबेरी एज वेल. किसी भी टाइप का आर्टिफिशियल कलर या फिर फ्लेवर नहीं है. दिस इज द एक्चुअल कलर एंड एक्चुअल फ्लेवर ऑफ क्रैनबेरी. कोई भी आर्टिफिशियल इंग्रेडिएंट इसमें इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट डज नॉट कंटेन एडेड शुगर. सो दिस इज अ यूटीआई ड्रिंक बाय एनमी. Quickly talking about the key ingredients of this drink. It contains vitamin C, zinc, cranberry, and 3 essential herbal ingredients which are Varuna, Shatavari, and Trikato. Pardon me if I am pronouncing any of the ingredient wrong, but these are the key ingredients of this drink. If you are prone to getting infected by such bacteria faster, or your body isn't strong enough to fight such bacteria, you have burning sensation in your urine, or you don't drink enough water in a day, तो इस टाइप के ड्रिंक्स कैन हेल्प यू आउट विद दैट. क्योंकि काफी सारे लोग हैं वो सफिशिएंट पानी नहीं पीते हैं. इवन आई समटाइम्स फेल टू ड्रिंक सफिशिएंट वाटर. या तो आई एम वर्किंग आउट, या तो आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, या अगर मैं घर पे भी काम कर रही हूँ तो आई जस्ट फॉरगेट टू ड्रिंक वाटर, और आई एम वेरी लेजी टू गो टू द किचन एंड टेक अ बॉटल ऑफ वाटर. तो इन सारी चीजों से भी यूटीआईज होती हैं. यूटीआई इज ऑल्सो डेवलप्ड बाय नॉट गोइंग टू पी ऑन टाइम. सो दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम. सो या दिस इज जस्ट अ सजेशन. इफ यू पीपल वांट, you can definitely try this. Second option is obviously drink a lots of water. So yeah, that was all in today's review with Anmi. This is the Anmi protein and this is the Anmi UTI drink.
Anmi also has an application. You can easily install it through the link I have provided in the description. Once you install it, you just have to open it. You'll have a login window. You can skip it. I'm skipping it for now. Once you skip it, the app opens. This is the interface. It is very user friendly. You will get different blogs over here. You can also buy products from Anmi over here. And it has multiple other options and very good information that you can grab from this application. At the bottom, it has different icons. One is for collections, the different product categories it contains. Then it has blogs wherein you can grab good information about health and hygiene. Then it also has this user interface wherein you can log in and create an account. Then it has this card where all the products that you want to buy are displayed. Apart from that, there are more options like hormonal balance, vaginal health, period, wish list. You can wish list the products you want to buy in future. You can have a diet plan. You can take free expert consultations through this application. So overall, it is a very helpful application and you can take multiple benefits from this application. If you want to install it, I have provided the link in the description. Go check it out.
So yes, this was all in this video. I hope you people enjoyed watching it. I hope this was useful. See you in the next video super soon. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, and यहाँ तक देख लिया तो please like, share and subscribe.